Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone user facing an issue, that is when they message someone, their name appears as number. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. The first and basic method is turn off and turn on your iPhone. First we have to go to settings, then tap general and tap shutdown. Drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back. After that we go for solution number 2. Turn off and turn on contacts under iCloud. First we have to go to settings, then tap on your profile name and tap iCloud. Now turn off contacts and tap delete from iPhone. After that, force close the setting app and also force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. After the force restart, same, go back to settings, tap on your profile name and tap iCloud and enable contacts and tap on merge. Now we go for solution number 3. Turn on short name and prefer nickname. Simply launch settings, find and tap on contacts and tap on short name and make sure that short name and prefer nickname are enabled. Now we go for solution number 4. Turn off and turn on iMessage. First launch settings, scroll, find and tap on messages and turn off iMessage and wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back. Now we go for solution number 5. Reset network settings. First launch settings, then tap general, tap reset and tap reset network settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Now we go for solution number 6. Sign out and sign in back Apple ID. First we have to go to settings, then tap on your profile name and tap sign out. Now follow the instructions and tap turn off. Force close the setting app. After a minute, go back to settings, tap on your profile name and sign in back. Now we go for solution number 7. Turn on Find My. For that, first on settings, tap on your profile name and tap Find My and tap again Find My iPhone and turn off Find My iPhone. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.